All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We are currently in Holbrook, Arizona. We are on our way up to Dodge Center, Minnesota again with some more of these Peterbilt 520 chassis. And yeah, so I decided to go up the 17 to the 40, and then we'll probably end up getting close. We'll either stay at Tucumcari and we'll decide if we can. If I can get up to Texahoma, I'm all about it. So, got to get a couple things serviced actually, and then when we get back up to Minnesota, and yeah. So, I had a good weekend though. Took a couple of my boys to Monster Jam there in Glendale at the Cardinal Stadium. That was actually the first time going to Monster Jam. It was actually pretty cool. We sat pretty freaking close. I'm gonna try to throw in some pictures and videos here, and yeah. So we're just finishing up our 30-minute break here, and then we're gonna be on our way. Alrighty, y'all, it's the next day. We are in Iowa now on the 80, or goodness gracious, 35 north. The wind yesterday coming up through Kansas and Missouri. Holy cow! It was either a headwind or a broadside the whole day. Yeah, there was no fuel economy yesterday, I can tell you that. But we're, I don't remember how far away from, it's about an hour from Des Moines, and it was downpouring through Kansas City this morning, and maybe it's just me, but man, they need to repaint the lines on the road. Like, you can't see nothing. Definitely when it's raining and at night, they're so faded or so light that, yeah, kind of had to guess on where I was at some of the time, but it's neither here or there. Yeah, other than that, everything else has been fine. No issues other than this wind and rain. So, but we're gonna get through here, and then we'll probably deliver around 11:30 today, and head back to the yard. I think I said it. I have an EGR gasket that's leaking. Noticed it on a pre-trip inspection, where it was blowing soot out of the backside of the EGR, where it looks like the elbow and the actual EGR connect. So hopefully we can get in and out, and I can keep moving. Guys, for next year, if you guys haven't gone to see Monster Jam, I highly recommend it. It's a lot more fun to watch, or it's a lot of fun, I should say, to watch in person. I know my kids loved it. I loved it because I'm a man child. So, and who doesn't like big trucks jumping things and destroying themselves? Yeah, we're gonna keep on rolling here, and then hopefully we can get through Des Moines pretty quick. It's gonna be hit and miss. It should be after rush hour. It's almost 8 o'clock now. I timed it just perfect for where I stopped yesterday, just south of Kansas City. So I got through Kansas City before rush hour, and I knew it's about 2.5 or 2 hours or so. Glendale were unloaded. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Stay tuned for the next one, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and keep the shiny side up.